Are you interested in achieving financial independence and retiring early? Then you need to know your FIRE number, the amount of money you need to accumulate in order to have a safe and sustainable retirement. Here's how to calculate it. Step 1. Determine your annual expenses. To do this, make a list of all your current expenses, including housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and any other regular bills. Add up the total amount of money you spend in a year. Step 2. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. This is the commonly used rule of thumb for determining your FIRE number. It assumes that you can safely withdraw 4% of your savings each year during retirement without running out of money. Step 3. Add any additional one-time expenses. This could include things like paying off your mortgage or financing a child's education. Add the amount of these expenses to your FIRE number. Step 4. Subtract any expected sources of passive income. Passive income includes things like Social Security or rental income. Subtract these amounts from your FIRE number. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your FIRE number as needed. Your expenses, investment returns, and other factors may change over time, so you'll need to regularly monitor your FIRE number and make adjustments as needed. Now that you know how to calculate your FIRE number, you can begin working towards financial independence and retiring early. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and tutorials.